Welcome to part 4 of the Module 6 assignment, and we are going to learn how to respond to a query. So in part 4, you're going to play the role of the study coordinator. As a study coordinator, you'd open up the query, review the source document, update the database if needed, and then respond to the query. For this assignment, we are going to ignore the database update step. You can play with that feature in REDCap if you want, but I felt like the assignment was long enough as it was, so we're just going to stick with responding to the query. First thing I want you to do is find the Resolves Issue tab, and it is next to the Find Issues tab. So we're going to flip over to REDCap, and you can see here was Find Issues. Now I'm going to do Resolve Issues, and I'm going to see if I can make my screen a little bigger for you. Okay, so this tells me here how many issues have been set to my attention, and I have 7 at this point. You'll probably have 2, but you might have another number. Don't worry about it. It just depends on what you're doing in there. Now, you need to go down and find the query that you want to resolve. So you want to make sure that you have your record number. See it here, 9 is mine. Make sure you're in the right check. Field is vital signs for pulse. And you can see here that it has been who it's been assigned to. So it's me. You should only have queries for yourself using this default tab. And up here we have the first update. See this column here? It says the first thing that I have in as a comment number 1 is please review patient pulse, and you can see here I have almost all of these exactly the same text. I've been practicing them. But there's no secondary update, so we want to go back and resolve that. And we're going to go over, let me pull this down here, I want to show you how the instructions match up. And we're going to click on the button to the comment button so we can review our query. So we're going to go over here, and it's going to tell us everything that is happening with this discrepancy. So you can see at 9:01 then I have put in the data because I did this for you this morning. At 9:37 I opened the query, and you can see it's me again. And at 9:42 I'm now going to respond to the query. So back to the instructions. I want you to choose from the little drop-down menu that your query is verified, confirmed, correct, no error, and then we're going to enter some text in that comment box, which is going to be patient pulse is confirmed as 40, and I'm going to say that we have an adverse event record in there just for fun. So we can go back over here. Here's my reply with response. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu. I am going to say it's verified, confirmed, correct, no error. Then I'm going to drop down here and say pulse of 40 is correct. Please see adverse event record 001. Close enough. And I'm going to do a little quick check to make sure I have everything right. If I wanted to, I could have uploaded the AE document, but in this case I'm just going to say that I have responded to the query. It's telling me it's saved it, and you can see here is my record in here. We're going to go back over to the assignment sheet. You see that matches up, and you've completed part 4 of the assignment. You acted as the study coordinator, and you responded to a query from data management. So in part 5, we're going to close the query.